Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a checkbox in Google Docs. Adding checkboxes is a great way to create to-do lists, task lists, and simple checklists directly in your document. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs on your computer. Open the document where you want to insert the checkbox. Next, place your cursor where you want the checkbox to appear. Click Format at the top of the page. Then select Bullets and Numbering. Hover over Checklist. You'll see different checklist options. Select the checkbox style you want to use. A checkbox will now appear in your document. Type your first task next to the checkbox. Press Enter to create another checkbox and continue adding your tasks. To mark a task as completed, simply click the checkbox. Google Docs will automatically place a checkmark in the box and cross out the completed task. You can continue adding and checking off items as you work through your list. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to insert a checkbox in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next one.